Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be learning how to create React app without using create React app. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to be checking is if we have Node installed in our system. So we'll write Node, and if it shows you a version of Node, then we are good to go, or else you can just download Node from nodejs.org and just follow the step. So yeah, we're going to be making a empty package.json, so we're going to be writing and to create a package.json with default configuration. So yeah, later on, we're going to be adding few scripts inside this scripts. So we will install few packages here. So meanwhile, let's create a source folder. Inside the source folder, we will have index.js and index.html. So we'll have just a default HTML5 template here, and we will make a div with an ID app. So inside this index.js will just create a basic React template, and it will have this div welcome with the welcome message, and we will be rendering it inside this app. So yeah, we have this app from this index.html, and we're going to be writing a welcome message here. To bundle all this file, we need a bundler, and we're going to be using Webpack for that. So we install few Webpack modules, and let's create a webpack config.js file here, which will have all our webpack configuration. So let's import path variable, path, and next we have module exports, and this will have an entry point, and this entry will be same as our source folder index.js. Yeah. Next we will have output here, where it gonna be bundling all of the file. So we'll have output as, inside this output we'll have this dist folder, and inside that it will be making a bundle.js file. Next we have module. So we're going to be defining a set of rules here for the specific type of file extension. So for that we're going to be installing few of the loaders. Just install this set of loaders, and let's define the setup rules here. So the first rule we're going to be using is for JSON JSX file extension. So it will be passing it through Beaver loader. So for that we will install a plugin as well. This, and meanwhile let's write this, and for a CSS file we're going to be using a set of rules. So a CSS. So here in this app we're going to be using SCSS instead of CSS. So this SCSS file will be passed through SAS loader, CSS loader, and mini CSS extract plugin that we just installed. So let's import it as well. So yeah, we have this mini CSS. Now we're gonna be installing a few plugins. So one plugin we already have. We need one more plugin for this HTML dive file. So we'll be installing this HTML Webpack plugin, and here we're gonna be adding this plugin sets. In this HTML Webpack plugin, we're gonna be defining template as this index HTML and mini CSS extract plugin for our CSS type files. So our Webpack config file is ready. Let's install a few more packages. We will core, we will preset env, and we will preset react. And to use this, you can either create a VLRC file or you can just add few things in your package.json only. Inside this package.json, we're gonna be adding people configuration. So we will create a script start. So let's run it. So it's running at localhost 8080. So yeah, we have this welcome message here. So here in the inspect, we can see we have this ID app, and inside that we have this div welcome that we just wrote. Let's add more files here. So we'll have a main folder. Inside this main, we're gonna be writing a function main. So we have this main, and here we have a div with class name is styles container. So this style is imported from main. So we are using SCSS as module. SCSS will have a container class with these things. Let's run it. This index will be importing. So yeah, we have this main class, and let's just check. So yeah, we have this main class here, and inside the body we can see the whole app is rendered, and this is class name that we just defined in Webpack configuration. So here it was path name local. So we have this path, and this is the name of the file, and this is the class name. That was it in this video. So next time we're gonna be making a few awesome apps using React. Thank you.